All right, this is a demo. We're going to open up Sopus and we're going to put a program into the multiphysics box. So we still need to get connected. So this is a typical connection for Sopus. We need the SDD file. If you're having issues with this, there's other videos, there's other things to help you with that. But get the SDD file offline. If it shows up right here and says I don't have an SDD file, double click on the picture or the icon and it opens up a new window. It sets everything up. So what this program does here is sets everything up. I'm going to reset to factory defaults just to make sure, but you don't need to do that after you set this up. So I'm going to import this file that you need to get. So it's the MPB standalone demo. I just basically yes to everything. It synchronizes the sensor. And what it's doing is setting in a program in here to make it easy to do as a standalone demo for shock. So what all I have here is I have a shock group alert. And I also now need to make sure the vibration alerts don't trigger everything. So I made everything -1. -1, basically in here, it says just turn it off. Because otherwise this thing's triggering on vibration and other things. I just really want to demo shock as a first easy thing to do. All right. And I set it also up to 100G. I also am going to set a reset of 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. So now we've got the program set up. So what we can do is disconnect it from IO-Link Master. This will work fine. You can power it with this. It'll function. It'll be good. You need this for programming and setting up the first time and any changes. But one of the best USPs about this, one of the main ones, the first one listed in some of the documentation is that standalone. There's nothing else connected here. I connected to a battery box and I can see it's powered, it's wired, and I can move it around and it doesn't trigger. So I bang it. Now I can actually get, and I can see that, yes, the red light turns on, which actually kind of makes it look orange on here in the middle. But this can also output to a stack light. This could go to a buzzer just with the wires. No IO link required after the original setup. So I think this is a better demo that you could do right away just to say, hey, I saw this thing. This is something new. This is really cool. It's a standalone condition monitoring sensor.
Nice.
It monitors temperature, vibration, and then shock is kind of a level of vibration, but it's really easy to show shock. You can hit it, you can thump it really hard, and say, hey, this is okay, but that's not. And then we can adjust that. You can bring back Sopus again, hook it back up and adjust that. Right now it's 100G, but you can move it to whatever you want. It's just the default's really low and it just goes off all the time. But I think this is a really good quick demo and getting their interest in it and then moving forward from there. Thank you very much and good luck.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was, huh?